Right now, your employees are sitting on a gold mine, and most companies never dig it up. That gold mine is untold customer stories, stories of relief, pride, transformation. Employees hear them every day, but without the tools, those stories never get shaped into narratives that customers remember. That is a missed opportunity because well built stories don't just explain value, they prove it in ways logic never can. The value proposition workshop unlocks that gold mine. Employees learn tried and true models to team up and turn raw experiences into stories that move hearts and drive sales. When your people share stories that customers feel compelled to retell, your customers' value spreads on its own.